My name is Megan Rowe. I am the Care and Support Manager for the Alzheimer's Association, the Dallas Northeast Texas chapter, and we serve 34 counties in Northeast Texas. In my role as I manage early stage programs as well as support groups for individuals that are impacted by Alzheimer's disease. Our organization is the biggest nonprofit supporting of Alzheimer's research, and that is, our mission is and vision is to have a world without Alzheimer's. Memories in the Making is one of our early stage programs, and it's a therapeutic art program designed for people with dementia. Where you were yesterday, if you worked on something that's impacted, the recall is just, it's not there necessarily anymore, but that long-term recall of where you grew up, or those little triggers of, a familiar smell, a familiar sound, different music, or just different images that can remind you of something in your history is what still remains. And so this program really utilizes the art making process to stimulate that connection and to tap into the long-term recall of the person that's still there. So it's a great tool to use to connect to people with dementia. Sometimes an individual that may be older with dementia may uncover a part of their childhood that their kids never knew about. So it's really the aftermath, it's the product, even though we don't, the product is not the focus, but the stories, we capture the stories with the artwork. So when you display the artwork, the story goes right up with them, and it tells this beautiful story, and the families can treasure that. So I think that the creative process can really be a tool or an outlet for if there's difficulties going on. So if you're feeling a lot of anxiety or concern about something, it's to be redirected with someone in a creative process and to connect with others provides some of that relief. It's not going to fix everything completely, but it's this momentary relief and connectivity to others that I think really helps people not feel so alone. One of the great things about this is it can be a unifying experience. So if you're taking, say, a population of people that have this commonality of a difficult circumstance they're going through, or maybe children that have difficulty communicating, or just different challenges through life, and you're connecting with others by exploring those themes with an inspiration image or an inspiration theme, then you're really able to explore on a deeper level and connect with others. The way well-being is impacted is that you're connecting with others, and socialization and connectivity really can help enhance well-being overall. And even if we have participants, which you always will, criticize their own artwork, the people in your group will be like, no, that's amazing, you must have painted your whole life, and they praise each other, and they form new bonds, and so you can really use this as a way to develop relationships too, and just create a supportive environment. I'm hoping that anyone who can attend this program can really understand the benefits of creating a judgment-free environment to connect with others utilizing art.